So how do you delete TikTok videos on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you should download the TikTok application on your iPad. It's much better to just have the app, right? And once you get inside, make sure you are signed in and everything, and go to the profile section in the bottom right corner, right? So you can see that we can access all of the pictures and like the videos you have shared to the platform. In order to delete them, you can tap on the individual videos, click on the three dots, and you can manage it like that. So from the buttons below, if you scroll all the way to the right, we have the delete button. So it's like this regular trash can. You can tap on it and it will just like delete the video from your TikTok profile, right? So you can perform it for all of your tutorials. I mean, all of your like videos in here, right? And you can do whatever you want. However, you can also just hide the video and make it go like private instead. So if you don't want to just delete it fully, you can tap on the three dots and you can change the visibility, right? So you can tap on the privacy settings like that and make sure that you switch it from everyone to be able to see it to friends only or only you, right? So you can see there are more options with that available. But at the end of the day, it all works pretty well. On the iPad or iPhone, it doesn't really matter. So let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.